Hi everyone, it's Russell, and I'm going to show you today how to find the fair market value, or ARV, the after repair value of a property. So I'm going to use Sandicor's Fusion software. It's the newer software. It works on Macs and Firefox and Google Chrome, and it's actually improved over the old Temple software that they had. So if you're not using it yet, you should start trying to use it. It's really pretty easy and very similar, but it has a few more features than Tempo did. Okay, so I'm on the home page after I've signed in already, and I'm going to go to the MLS tab in this Fast Find box. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to my spreadsheet where I track my properties. I'm going to copy the MLS number of the property I'm going to look at, and I'm going to paste it in here. And this is my subject property. This is the one we're trying to find a value for. So I'm going to hit search, and if you didn't have the MLS number for some reason, you can go to Google and type in the address. Then you can come down here and you can click on Trulia or Zillow or Realist, any one of these websites, and it'll give you the property, the MLS ID. So see, it's right here in Trulia. So that's just a quick trick if you can't find the MLS number somewhere. But we have it, and we're gonna go look at the details of this property. Okay, so this is the property. You can see all the beds, baths, all the listing information. This is a short sale that we're looking at, and we actually put an offer in on this one. But it's important to write this stuff down and keep track of it in a spreadsheet like I do. You can see all the bed and bath and all the property information. Um, it's just a good idea because people are going to ask you about it, maybe a month down the road, and you're going to have all the details and maybe not have this tool next to you, so you can't look it back up. So I would write it down, and I actually include the listing information because sometimes it has some good information. Okay, so this is our subject property, and now we're going to want to find comps. So we're going to do a new search. You can use this magnifying glass with a plus sign to add a search, and it automatically pulls up the residential quick search. You can also do that by going to search residential, and then here residential address search or quick search. Okay, so we know this one is a single family detached home. It says detached on the listing. Fee simple means it's not a condominium or any other type of uh, joint ownership place. So we're gonna put detached under residential styles and hit tab, and you'll get out of it, or just click on another field. I'm gonna come down here to list status. List status, I'm gonna choose active, which was already chosen, pending, and sold. So you just click on the ones you want, and you can keep clicking, and it won't knock you out of there until you're done and you want to click out of it. Okay, now we'll come down here to close of escrow date, and here we're going to hit this word between, and we're going to choose from the drop down box. Oops. We'll choose 90 days back to start. Okay, then we're going to go down here, and I can either look on my spreadsheet or on the last tab. I can see it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,212 square foot home. So we're going to want to try to find similar properties or comparables. So we want a 3-bed, and you can just leave that second one blank. Maybe put 4 in there if you want to limit, or you want to widen your search if you're having trouble finding enough. Just put 1 to 3 baths, just to give you a better range of properties. And then since ours is about 1,200 square feet, I'm going to do from 1,000 to 1,500 square feet. Now that's about it, except I like to add a field. So you come down here to the bottom, and I want to weed out all the short sales. So I start typing in here lender, and then you see this choice subject to court lender approval. We want to weed those out. So you click that and you click add field. It'll add it to our search. See, I put it at the bottom. And then I'm going to choose no. I don't want any subject to court lender approval properties showing up in my search. You can also weed out the REOs, but in this case we're just going to do this quickly.